Alright, so we're going to start off by showing you how to do the slip knot. You're going to start, which is how you start the chain when you're crocheting. So I start with my string in my hand. I toss the short piece over the long one. And I have two fingers in there, short one over my long one. Then I grab the long one with these two fingers and I pull that loop through the old loop. Just makes a small slip knot on the end of my string. Put my hook in, and I hold on to the short end, wrap the string around the hook, pull the string through the loop. So when you're chaining, you should only have one loop on your hook when you're done. So again, I'm going to wrap the string around, pull it through the loop, and then another chain is done. So I have two on there now. Wrap the string around, pull the loop through my old loop. String around, pull through the loop. And you keep doing this until you have the number of chains that you want. For blankets that I do about 175. Scarves, I do 20. Just depends on what piece you're making. Sometimes these end up kind of sloppy on your first round, but as you go and make more rows, they clean up. All right, thanks for watching this one. This is how to make a chain.